Welcome to Saliqa Mag. I'm your sewing instructor Sara. I have 3 years of diploma in dressmaking skills and 10 plus years of teaching experience. So first today we are going to learn a princess cut with full flare dress. So first we need the measurement, the shoulder, chest, waist, hip and the total length. If you are absolute beginner, you can check my video how you can take your body measurement. So here I just fold my fabric in 4 fold, and the 9 inches I just remove for the full sleeve. You need 2.5 meter fabric for this, but if you want full length you can take 3 meter fabric. So it depends on your length of your dress. So first I just mark here the shoulder line, then the armhole line. Now I'm going to mark here the chest line. All measurements are written on the screen on the starting of the video, so you can just replay and check all the measurement. So after the waistline, now I'm going to mark the hip line. Till hip line we need the marking, and after that I will show you how we will join a straight line till our end. So that's how you just need to mark here, and the rest of the fabric you will see that that will be the leftover fabric. We will use it as a mid panel. So see, this is the leftover fabric. We will use it to make the panel to get it more flared look. So here I'm just marking the princess cut. First I mark the center of my armhole, then 4.5 here on the waistline, and then I will join. This 4.5 is exactly that point where we usually put the dots. So now I will continue this line by marking here on the hem line 9 inches, then with the straight line I will join it. So this is how you mark your princess cut. If you want to learn a princess cut with pattern making, you can check in my playlist. I have a very detailed tutorial on that. So now here I just mark 3 inch down on from the waistline. Now I just take this leftover fabric and mark here 1 inch only and cut from here. And now the rest of the fabric, you can see here this is unequal, and just mark here a straight line and make it just straight to make the panels. So I'm cutting this till then you can just press the subscribe button so you can get notification for the upcoming videos. So this is the 4 panels. Now this is our one side, the front side, and here I'm just cutting my shoulder line. I'm sorry, the neckline. So neckline is totally depend on your choice how deep you want. Here I just mark here almost 6 inches, and now I'm just cutting it. So for this neckline I'm also using here the piping or bias binding. If you are absolute beginner, you can check my playlist for absolute beginner. I already uploaded a detailed tutorial how you can make neckline, step by step instruction. So now I'm just pressing it properly, and then I will stitch here. So after that I will show you how we can join the panels. So now it's time to join the panels. You remember that we just marked below the waistline the 3 inches. This is the 3 inches line, and from here I will start my panel. So first I will take one panel, and the straight side of the panel I will attach with this center side of my dress. And now you will pin up it first here, the straight side with this center part of your dress, and from down or hem line it will be a little unequal, but after stitching this we will make it equal. I will show you how. So now it's time to attach our curved side, this part. Make sure you will start from here on the armhole, and then gradually stitch. I will show you when I will stitch on the machine. See, that's how it will come here. Now just stitch it by placing it equal this way. See, make sure this is equal, and then because this is in a bit round shape or curve shape, so it will be a little tricky for beginners, but if you do it step by step, it will be easy. See, here we need to stitch to cover this joint here, and then we will go straight. So guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload a video you will get a notification. You can press all notification, and also on my video you can check here a heart button. If you want to say me thanks, you can press that. So now see, this is unequal now. So now I will just mark it with chalk and make the hemline equal. See, I just cut here the extra, and this is the look of the front panel. Now it's time to stitch the sleeve. Sleeve also I'm making here a bit with bit designing. So first I just mark here chest divide by 4 line, and now I will continue here, and after that just add the seam allowances, 1 inch seam allowance, and now I will take just one sleeve. And first you have to fold your hemline, but before that here cut the extra 1/2 inch for the deep fitting. So now just stitch your shoulder line, and now here the sleeve, just fold the hemline. I use here the serger or overlock machine. Now almost 3 inches I'm going to stitch this elastic. This elastic you can measure according to your wrist size, and if you are making half sleeve you can keep it according to that. So now it's time to attach our sleeves. So make sure that center with the center, and then here also I'm just cutting the front 1/2 inch deep for the fitting purpose. Now attach the sleeves and stitch all the way. After attaching both sleeves, it's time to stitch the side lines. So I just mark here the red line, so you can see here we need to stitch. Now after that you also need to fold the hemline, and guys you can see how by just using the leftover fabric we got a full flared dress. And hope you like this easy and beautiful dress tutorial. Please give me your feedback, and don't forget to hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on the YouTube. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.